I'm going to share with you guys what is my preparation for this experiment. I used foil, then I put it in a spiral, 2 candles, a wooden stick, some blue tack, and 1 light. First, I attached the blue tack in the table. It's hard. Then, I attached the stick on the blue tack. Then, I spread the candles around the blue tack. And the most delicate part, you might need an elder, is putting this here. Now we have to light on the candles. I did the adjustments, and you might need an elder beside you. Then put a bit of light in. Then you can already see it's moving already. So this is the infinity spiral that will end until the candles finish.